Today I will unbox a leg massager that I bought from Amazon. The reviews really impressed me and made me buy it. I bought this to get rid of my calf muscle pain. Let's find out how useful it is. Found a carry bag inside, that's an extra. The packaging is really good and it comes with 2 years warranty. I hope it will work that long. One power adapter is included. The quality isn't bad. Now it's time to review the actual product, but please follow the guidelines before purchasing, as doctor's consultation is needed if you are pregnant, suffering from a skin infection, use a pacemaker, or have another serious medical condition. Most importantly, it is an air compression massager. So do not expect any vibration, kneading or rollers inside. You can detach thigh and calf wraps from each other and can use them on your arms. It will turn off automatically after 20 minutes for safety. Airbags are made using soft sewn fabrics. It looks good to me and the Velcro is strong enough. Now it's time to put it on. Make sure to use the right wraps for the right leg. Choose the lowest intensity first and don't wrap too tight. Leave a gap available to put 4 fingers in it. Connect it properly and turn it on. It has multiple modes and massage intensity. Choose the lowest intensity first. It already started to fill the air. It has 3 combined massage mode and 3 separate message modes. C1, massage full legs, C2, massage feet and calves, C3, massage feet, calves, and thighs by sequence. T, thighs massage, C, calves massage, F, feet massage. Choose the right mode and intensity you prefer. Overall, I am really satisfied. It's a great valued product, especially for those who sit and stand for long periods. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think about the Renpho massager. Don't forget to like and subscribe.